or so your glitching brain tries to convince you. Welcome to the actual science behind the sleep demon. Let's look at the hardware. Every night during REM sleep, your brain initiates a perfect security protocol. It literally disconnects your muscles. It cuts off communication. Your body is completely paralyzed, but your eyes show that your mind is fully awake. But what happens when your conscious mind wakes up before the brain reconnects the cables? You are fully aware, but trapped inside a paralyzed meat suit. Realizing you can't move or breathe deeply, your brain's fear center, the amygdala, hits the absolute panic button. It frantically hallucinates a reason for why you are paralyzed. It projects your worst subconscious fears directly into your bedroom. That crushing weight on your chest? It's not a monster. It's just your paralyzed lungs struggling to take a deep breath. You try to scream for help, but your vocal cords are unplugged too. Eventually, the brain realizes its mistake and forces a system reboot. You wake up suddenly, terrified, convinced that a shadowy demon is sitting on your chest, to realize that it's nothing. But before you calm down, what if I told you that people all over the world are having hallucinations of completely different demons? Your fear center only creates the raw panic. It doesn't have a face, so it urgently calls your memory database to fill in the blank. It searches your childhood stories, local myths, and horror movies to build a custom-made monster just for you. That demon isn't real. It's just a 3D projection of your own cultural memories. But why does this error 404 happen to some people more than others? It's not bad luck. It's a system overload. High stress levels, erratic sleep schedules, and even sleeping flat on your back are like bugs in the code. They confuse the brain's internal clock, making it reboot your consciousness while the muscle-locking security protocol is still running. So how do you break the 404 error?
Don't fight the demon. Struggling only feeds your brain's panic.
Instead, focus all your willpower on moving one tiny muscle, like wiggling your little toe.
The moment it moves, the system realizes you're awake. The paralysis breaks, the demon shatters, and you win.
If you survived this nightmare with us, hit the subscribe button for more deep dives into your brain's mysteries. Sweet dreams.